This is example 2 in lesson 1.1, horizontal and vertical asymptotes. So in this example, we are given the function y equals the absolute value of x. And we want to take that function and translate it 4 units to the left and 6 units up. So I want to go 4 left and 6 upward. Now think about the original equation and think about its transformation. H and K stand for horizontal translations and vertical translations. So when we say 4 left, we are talking about H being -4. Upward, we're talking about K being +6. So I know that when I write my transformed function, it's going to look like x subtract -4 plus 6, or y equals f of x plus 4 plus 6. So this is the transformed function for any general function, but I want it specifically for the absolute value of x. So what that means is the absolute value of x, well, I'm shifting it 4 to the left, so I'm going to put x plus 4, and if I shift it up 6, then outside the function goes plus 6, and that's the transformed function. In part 2, I am given the function 1 over x, a reciprocal function. I'm translating it 1 unit to the right, which I'm going to write down 1 unit to the right, and I'm going to write 3 units down. So when I write my function, I'm going to have 1 unit to the right, which would be x subtract 1, and 3 units down would be subtract 3. So I know that I'm going to replace this into the specific function that they ask me. So my function would be written as 1 divided by x subtract 1 and then subtract 3.